Hi guys, welcome back to another video on NIUTech. Now in this video we're going to be going over how to use the time management feature on Instagram to limit the time that you spend on the app on a daily basis. Now if you recently noticed that you are spending quite a lot of time on Instagram and it's encroaching into your day, here's how you can use the time management feature on Instagram to limit the time that you spend on the app on the daily basis. To limit the time that you spend on the app on a daily basis. Now to get started, you'd want to click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner of the screen and then click on time management just midway down the options. Alright, so the first thing you're going to see is your daily average time on Instagram, and next you come to daily limit, just the options below the bar. You see daily limit, so you'd want to click on it. Alright, so from here you can set your daily limit. Alright, so the footnote here says will remind you to close Instagram when you spend the amount of time in a day. So we'll also let you know when you are close to reaching the limit. So you can see several range of time that you can set from here. You can see 15 minutes, you can see 30 minutes, you can see 45 minutes, you can see 1 hour, and you can see 2 hours. So what you want to do is to pick from this range of times that you want to spend daily on Instagram. For example, say 15 minutes. Alright, so once you have selected the range of time, Instagram is going to register your preference and you get a reminder when you're almost exhausting the time limit that you've set on Instagram. So guys, there you have it. That's how to go about managing your time on the Instagram app. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.